Today is the final day to apply for federal assistance from FEMA if your home was damaged in the January flood. So far, nearly 3,000 San Diegans have been approved for money to help fix their homes or pay for other essentials.
Yeah, ABC 10 News reporter Natay Holmes joins us live from Mountain View this morning. And Natay, you actually caught an error in the application process, but FEMA is still encouraging people to apply.
Yeah, Mel, Jared, good morning. So if your home has been damaged like the homes here on 42nd Street in Mountain View, now that the sun is up, you can actually still see that dumpsters are behind me, still lined up here along the street. But yes, go ahead and apply. The deadline to do that is at midnight. But I went through the application process and there was a little hiccup. I actually got this prompt on the screen. It says late registration. We're going to head and pull that up for you a little larger so you can see what to expect on your screen at home. It says homeowners can complete an application now, but FEMA may not be able to process it. I reached out to FEMA. They did get back with me via phone and email saying that FEMA encourages everyone affected by the January flooding to apply even as they address this apparent software bug. They also said that, again, you have until midnight. So far, more than 2,800 households have been approved for $21 million in FEMA funding. And prior to today's deadline, FEMA representatives have been making their way into the devastated areas, encouraging people to apply.
We've been everywhere, up, down, left, right. We canvassed many areas. We've had several teams on ground. Even if you don't have damage yet, you never know. Along the way, you might discover that you do have some damages. So it's better to have your application in.
Now on Monday, the disaster recovery centers here in Mountain View and then over in Spring Valley will be converted to Small Business Administration disaster loan outreach centers. SBA representatives will be available to answer any questions, explain the application process, and help businesses apply for low interest disaster loans. Interest rates and loan amounts will be based on each applicant's financial condition. But here are the times that the centers will be open. The Mountain View Center will be open Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then Tuesdays from 9 to 5. The Spring Valley Library Center will be open Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 10 to 6, Tuesdays from 12 to 6, and then Fridays from 10 to 5. Now the deadline for businesses to apply is November 19th. Live in Mountain View, Natay Holmes, ABC 10 News.